On the subway.
Excuse me, does this train go to Central Station?
Yes, it stops there in about 10 minutes.
Is it normal that it is so crowded?
Yes, many people travel in the morning.
Do you know if this line is often late?
Usually it is on time.
Can I change trains here too?
Yes, at Central Station you have many connections.
Is there a schedule in this car?
Yes, it's above the door.
May I put my backpack here?
Yes, just place it by your feet.
Will there be an announcement soon?
Yes. They announce before each station.
How many stops are left?
3 more to Central Station.
Is this an express train?
No, this train stops at every station.
Is there air conditioning?
Yes, but it is sometimes a bit weak.
Can I buy my ticket on the train?
No, tickets are only at the machines.
Is this car always so loud?
Yes, especially when many people talk.
Where is the best place to get off?
The front door is best.
Do I need to do anything when I get off?
Yes, please let others exit first.
Is Central Station coming up soon?
Yes, the next stop is yours. At the vet.
Hello, can you check my pet for a moment?
Yes, of course. Please place it on the table.
Since when has it been coughing so hard?
It seems only for a few days now.
Should I be worried?
No, it looks like a mild cold.
Does it need medicine?
Yes, I will give you a gentle medicine.
How often do I give the medicine?
Twice a day, morning and evening.
Should I keep it calm today?
Yes, little exercise and lots of rest, please.
May it eat normally?
Yes, but better something light.
Do I need to check its temperature?
Only if it seems very tired.
How long until it heals?
Usually 2 to 3 days.
Can I go for a walk tomorrow?
A short walk is fine.
Should I offer plenty of water?
Yes, drinking is very important.
Is the cold contagious?
No, not for humans.
Do I need to come again?
Yes, in 4 days for a check.
Where can I pay the bill?
Right up front at the desk.
Can I also pay by card?
Yes, card payment is possible. At the gas station.
Excuse me, where is the pump for premium?
The premium pumps are right up front.
Do I pay first or after?
You pay after pumping, inside the shop.
Do you have many customers today?
Yes, it is quite busy now.
Is there a car wash here too?
Yes, it is right behind the building.
Is the car wash open?
Yes, it is open all day.
Where can I check the tire pressure?
The gauge is left of the air station.
Does the air cost anything?
No, the air is free.
Can you recommend motor oil?
Yes, this oil works for many cars.
Where is the oil?
On the shelf.
Do you also sell windshield cleaner?
Yes, we have several kinds.
Can I open the gas cap here?
Yes, just press the button inside the car.
How much should I pump?
Best fill up to the mark.
Where can I pay?
Inside at the register.
Do you take cards?
Yes, card payment is fine.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, I will print it now. At the tourist information.
Hello, where can I find a city map?
The map is right there on the counter.
Can you suggest a nice place to walk?
Yes, the park by the river is very popular.
Is there a museum close by here?
Yes, the art museum is just a few steps away.
What's the best way to get there?
Just walk along Main Street and then turn left.
Are there tours of the historic district?
Yes, guided tours run regularly.
Do I need to sign up?
No, you can just drop by.
Where can I find good restaurants?
The historic district has many cozy places.
Can you recommend one to me?
Yes, the small cafe on the square is well known.
Are there information brochures here?
Yes, a rack stands right by the entrance.
Do you have tips for day trips?
Yes, walking to the hill with a view is very nice.
Where does the tour bus leave from?
From the plaza in front.
Is there bike rental in town?
Yes, you will find one by the big river plaza.
Is downtown easy to reach on foot?
Yes, the paths are short and pleasant.
Where can I buy souvenirs?
In the small shops next to City Hall.
Do you have a suggestion for quiet spots?
Yes, the garden behind the library is very quiet. At the ice cream shop.
Excuse me, what flavors do you have today?
We have many flavors, for example, vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate.
Can I try first?
Yes, I can give you a small sample.
Do you also have vegan ice cream?
Yes, we offer several plant-based flavors.
Which flavor is very popular?
Many guests like the fruity flavors.
Is there ice cream without sugar?
Yes, we have a light option.
Where can I see the prices?
The prices are on the board above you.
Will I get the ice cream in a cup?
Yes, cup or cone, as you like.
Is the cone crunchy?
Yes, it is made fresh every day.
Do you also have toppings?
Yes, we have nuts, sauces, and small pieces.
Can I mix 2 flavors?
Yes, you can choose several flavors.
Are there drinks too?
Yes, we have water, juice, and coffee.
May I sit outside?
Yes, there are many seats outside.
Where can I order a sundae?
You can do that at the front counter.
Can I also get something hot?
Yes, we offer hot drinks.
Where do I pay?
You pay right at the counter. In the taxi.
Excuse me, can you take me downtown?
Sure. Please get in. I'll take you right there.
Is it far from here?
No, the ride takes only a few minutes.
Do you know a quick way?
Yes, I'll take a route with little traffic.
Is it always so busy here?
That depends on the day, but it's often busy.
Can you open the window a bit?
Sure, I'll open it a little.
Are there nice sights on the way?
Yes, we'll pass an old square.
Can you slow down there for a moment?
Yes, I'll slow down.
Is the square popular with tourists?
Yes, many people like to go there.
May I play music in the back?
Yes, as long as it is not too loud.
Can you recommend a cafe to me?
Yes, near downtown there is a cozy cafe.
Will we pass by it?
Yes, I can take a small detour.
Is the cab air-conditioned?
Yes, the AC runs quietly in the background.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, paying by card is no problem.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, I'll print you a receipt.
Are we almost there?
Yes, downtown is right past the next intersection. At the airport gate.
Excuse me, is this the right gate for my flight?
Yes, your flight leaves from here.
Do you know when boarding starts?
It should start very soon.
Do I need to keep my ID ready?
Yes, please have it ready.
Will there be an announcement here?
Yes, usually an update comes soon.
May I set my carry-on here?
Yes, just place it by your seat.
Are restrooms close by?
Yes, right around the corner.
Where can I buy a drink?
At the small store across from us.
Is this area always so busy?
Yes, many passengers wait here.
Are there seats by the window?
Yes, back there along the glass wall.
May I make a call while waiting?
Yes. Phone use is allowed here.
Is the flight schedule changed often?
Sometimes there are small changes.
Must I fill out anything beforehand?
No, everything is already set.
Do many international flights arrive here?
Yes, this gate area is known for that.
Can I walk to the plane door now?
Please wait for the announcement.
Is my seat easy to find on board?
Yes, the signs are very clear. On the plane.
Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Can you help me store my bag?
Sure, I'll place it in the overhead bin.
Do you know if we take off soon?
Yes, we should leave very shortly.
May I still use my phone?
Yes, but please use airplane mode.
Are there blankets on board?
Yes, I can get you one.
Can you tell me where the restroom is?
It's in the back of the aisle.
Will there be drinks today?
Yes, a cart will come later.
Have you taken this flight before?
Yes, I fly this route often.
Is it usually calm during the flight?
Most times the ride is very smooth.
May I recline the seat a bit?
Yes, you can do that.
Is there a safety card?
Yes, it's in the pocket before you.
Will there be an announcement?
Yes, right before we land.
Can you give me a tip for ear pressure?
Chewing gum helps many people.
Is the flight long?
It takes a while, but not too long.
Do we reach the city center directly?
No, buses and trains go there from the airport. In the parking lot.
Excuse me, do you know if I can park here?
Yes, this area is open to all visitors.
Do I need a parking pass?
Yes, please put it on your dashboard.
May I stay longer too?
Yes, as long as you follow the rules.
Is there a section only for employees here?
Yes, it's marked further back.
Do you know where the exit to the building is?
The path goes there between the hedges.
Can I leave my bike here too?
Yes, there is a bike rack on the right.
Is this lot often this full?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Are there shaded spots?
Yes, under the big trees on the left side.
May I wait in my car for a moment?
Yes, that's no problem.
Do you know if there are cameras here?
Yes, some areas are monitored.
Is the lot safe?
Yes, it is considered very safe.
Can I park a large vehicle here too?
Yes, in the back there are wider spots.
Where can I find the parking map?
It's posted at the entrance on a board.
Is there a direct path to the street?
Yes, just follow the small path.
May I set the suitcase down for a moment?
Yes, just place it next to your car. In the car after vacation.
How do you feel after the long trip?
I'm a bit tired, but in a good mood.
Did you enjoy the vacation?
Yes, it was very relaxing and nice.
Are you happy to be going home again?
Yes, I look forward to my own bed.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, I checked everything once more.
Is the car comfortable enough for the drive?
Yes, the seat is very comfortable.
Should I open a window?
Yes, a bit of fresh air would help.
Would you like to hear some music now?
Yes, something calm would be nice.
Do you need a break?
Not yet, I still feel fine.
Was the beach the highlight for you?
Yes, the beach was really amazing.
Do you want to go there again next year?
Yes, I can imagine that.
Have you had enough to drink?
Yes, I have a water bottle with me.
Do you think we will get through okay?
Yes, traffic looks light.
Would you like a small picnic later?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
Do you want to sort the photos later?
Yes, I will do that in peace.
Are you glad we finally hit the road?
Yes. Now the easy part of the trip begins.